Hey guys, welcome back to my videos, to my channel. I'm on the way to a racetrack, taking out the Mustang, trying to figure out that shifter and finish the tune. Last time I went to the track, there was a major failure. Everything I did was backwards. I didn't even record any footage. So hopefully I'm by myself, no one else will with me tonight. I'm on some track in Atlanta, well, Georgia. It's called BMP or BPM, up towards Tennessee, north of Atlanta. Take me about 2 hours to get there, hour and a half. Well, it says 2 hours, 10 minutes. And I'm going to try to get as much footage as I can for you guys on my own. I've got a couple things I got to do tune-wise and see what this thing does. Because I am so curious to see what this car's got. Been working on it for 2 years now, and I don't really know what she's got. Haven't been going to tracks, don't have the time for it. So I guess we'll see you later, guys. Cool. Hey guys, we finally made it to the track. The cars are all on that side. I feel like parking all on that side with everybody. But we're about to unload the Mustang and do a little bit of tuning and see if we can make a couple passes with it. Oh yeah, I forget about it. Oh, it's like 90% of the shit. button this time. I set that bitch to automatic. Thank you, bro. I should have parked out here. I could have talked to the guys. They got fuel techs and shit. That was a good run. Alright guys, that little run, I mean, I've still got some stuff to go through. I don't know if you guys can see me very well, but we got reaction time was a 1:22.69. Not too bad. You can drop it down a little more. 60 foot, 175. 1.75. 330, 450. What is that? 465. ET was a 650. Now that's only 1 pound of boost from midway in the map. I'll show you guys in a little bit. 1 pound of boost midway in the map, and that got me over a second for the first run. Wherever the hell it's at. I think I got the paper. Not even a pound of boost. I'll show you in the computer. It ran a 7073. This time she ran a ET miles per hour 650. Not bad. 650, 656. And damn, picked up 15 miles per hour, guys. From 104 to 115. Well, 10 miles an hour. No, I'm sorry. I can't see. I'm blind. Forgive me, guys. It's a 104.74 to 105.98. So it's a pretty good run. I can't lie. I just keep forgetting stuff to do in the car, like hit the data logger, this and that. It's retarded, actually. You get so many things to remember. So I put everything in an auto, basically. Press the button and go, and this thing will do pretty much all of it. So let me see what's going on the laptop. I'll bring you guys along. Alright guys, I'm doing this one off my phone. You want to disconnect the camera and everything out the car. You guys can actually see the screen or not. I think it's data log too, because I got it set to automatic. Every time you go over 2,000 RPMs, 2,800, it goes by itself. I got my two-step set to 3,000 low right now. I go to about 4, but I'm just going low for now because I'm just trying to tune the car, not trying to race it, really. If you guys know anything about fuel tech or anything about tuning this thing, please hit me up. If you can help me out, because I'm just learning. 450s, son of a bitch. .450 of 151, and that was a top fuel dragster. All right, let me see. I guess this is 2-step. 3-step on. It never hits 2-step, guys. I'm not doing it right again. It never hits 2-step. What is the boost? Ignition time is 23. Damn. -4. It keeps going 26. That's a lot of timing on a two-step. 26 degrees. Wouldn't you think? Wastegate pressure is 6 psi. My drive shaft is like 30%, 20% of what it should be. Like right there, 5,800 RPMs. My drive shaft is at 22,000 RPMs. That's like a lot of difference in a stall converter, or I'm not locking it up. She hit 2,500, 27, 2,800 RPMs basically almost. That's 6,800. So this car is not going as much as it should. O2 correction is adding 10% right in here. I'm fine for 5-10%. I'm fine, we're okay with that. Anything higher like that, 15 degrees to 15%, 16%, it's adding there. That's after the shift. Hit 7,000. And he was there, I'm not even pushing the car. I guess this is where I came off the throttle. Yep. She needs a little more fuel in some places. Oh, son of a bitch. We actually hit 9 psi. Woo! .72 psi. And the car ran at 650. That's crazy, guys. That's not bad. Almost 10 psi. She ran at 650 in the 8. I mean, it's not very fast. It's faster than some cars. I need both of my hands. I do forgive me, guys. I don't have the right setup right now to record this while we're doing the... I'll add some more fuel in those couple of spots and we'll hit it again. See what happens. Add some more power to it too. I think I'm gonna add another pound of boost. Pound and a half, see what happens. Alright, see you in the GoPro. Forgot to press record. But it was a bad run. I don't know what the hell happened just now. My front end started going left and right on its own, and I let off. And that was scary as shit. I thought I was about to give out on me or something. Yeah, I had to let out of that one. It was doing some weird shit. Sorry guys, I didn't get a lot of footage. Hey guys, doing a voice overlay because I wasn't sure what was going on with the car at the last run. It was going left and right on its own, and the steering wheel was straight at. It wasn't spinning, it felt like it was coming from the front. I did install a Flaming River rack and pinion not too long ago, so I figured maybe some parts came loose, so I got scared and loaded the car up and went home. I will be doing an update video on see what's going on with the vehicle and looking into getting a better mic so we get some better quality sound like in the truck on the way there. Thank you guys for watching. I'll try to put more content up. Thank you.